Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I am going to announce that I started new course series tutorials. Create a website for attorney or lawyer using Elementor plugins. So this tutorial will be very helpful if you are like to create your website without any coding skill, without any developer hiring, or want to save your money. So this tutorial only for you. Also, if you are going to start freelancing and outsourcing, make money from online by designing and developing website quickly, then this tutorial also for you. You can get better, very beneficial from this tutorial. So let's get started. I have already created a project plan for that. So here is my project plan. How I will do design. So I will design this website in this URL. Project.academy.com, and for fonts, let me make it. For font, I have selected the source sans serif and Nimbus Sans. This font I will use for my website, and color combination I will make using these colors, and reference website for header and for footer and for typography I have selected a few reference website. So first of all, let me show you the reference website. As well, I like to design my website following Theme premium thing, but not exactly clone their website. I would like to make a combination following this latest design that that help me to make any website very professional for my clients and for my students. Also, I like to show you others reference website. I will design footer like this website, and okay, let me wait. So I will make my typography following this website or this template. Its typography looks very professional, and I love that. And for footer section, I will design following this footer section, and header will be like this website. Okay, so I may change my mind, but exactly I want to design following these three reference, and maybe a little bit difference from my way. So let's get started. First of all, I am going to my subdomains, project.id academy, and going to login. Okay, first of all, I am going to change my website name. That's make my website look professional. Just going to click on the customize. So my website name will be lawyer and attorney. Just taking a little bit time to load this page. Okay, so I'm going to change my website name, site identify, RW, lawyer, and attorney. Let me check the spelling. Attorney. Okay, so attorney, and then would like to WordPress website design for lawyer. Okay, so now I'm going to make save changes, and now going to my dashboard. And now going to change theme. Okay, so I'm going to themes section. Now going to add a new themes. Elementor. So I like to use Hello Elementor theme, so I'm going to just click on the install, and it's installing right now. Okay, to install it, and I'm going to click on the activate. Okay, so let me check my website right now. Just going to click on the visit website. Okay, so that is blank and no design because I don't make any changes from my previous theme or phrase. So okay, so I have installed Hello Elementor theme. Now I have to install the plugins. I require plugins. So first of all, I'm going to add new under plugins and going to install Elementor plugins. Elementor. I'm just going to install now. As you know from my previous tutorials, I like to use this plugin Elementor add-ons for header, footer and others free element use. Okay, just going to install this also. Okay, so now going to activate the page builder, then I will active this plugin also. Now going to active others plugin that I want mentioned, Elements Kit Lite active. Okay, so I have installed the themes and plugins. So now I'm ready to start designing my website for the attorney or lawyer. So first of all, I like to design the footer section and header section. That help me to make my website in professional way, and you also feel easy and comfortable. So continue with me in this tutorial. Okay. So first of all, let me create a few pages. Home, about, blog, gallery, contact, home, about, service page, element. Okay, so first of all, I like to create some pages. So I'm going to add new page. There have already a lot of pages. Let me find out. A lot of pages already existed there, so I want to remove all pages from here. Move to trash. Also this pages, move to trash. Okay, so there is no pages right now, so I'm going to start creating new pages as my need. So first of all, I'm going to click on the add new. Okay, so my page name is home, and going to click on the publish home. So I like to add more pages, so I'm going to open multiple pages right now. So home, about, and another will be services, and another will be blog, and finally I will create a page name CEO and contact. So I have created 5 pages. Now I am ready to design my home page, header, footer, all sections. So first of all, let me I like this design. First of all, I like to use this design, so just keep a logo, menu, and a free consult button here. Okay, I am going to create a new menu. As you know, before creating header section, I have to make ready my menu, so I'm going to create a new menu. So I'm just going to create a new menu, so I have to write my menu names. So I'm going to write my menu names, main menu. Just create a menu, click on the create menu. Okay, so I'm going to add menu items right now. Select all, add to menu. So let me order my menu in right way. First home, about, services, blog, contact. Okay, so display location in primary menu, then save menu. So my menu, save it. Now I'm going to start building header and footer. Let me check my theme or home page by this time at a glance. So there is nothing, just a blog page. So let's start to build our header section. Okay, so I'm going to my templates, add new templates, and header, and click on the publish. Going to click on the edit with Elementor. Okay, so I'm going to add section, header section. Now I will take 3 column, one for logo, one for menu, and one for free console. Okay, so I'm now going to add a logo. In the logo I will add a demo logo. Right now I can add this one for demo purpose. Added our logo. Now I am going to add a menu. So going to search in the nav, and select our menu. Our menu is the main menu. Okay, and here we add another menu or link or a button. So button will be free consultation. Change the free consultation. Let me make sure. Okay, free consultation, and background color. We have to design this menu. So position in the menu background color is, we use this color or this one. Let me choose. Okay, we use this color, free consultation, and I have to make everything in the middle. So that's why vertical aligned middle, all everything is middle right now, and I like to also make this menu in the center position. So just going to click on the here the edit and horizontal main menu center. Okay, we have quickly designed our header. Now we like to design our footer section. So first of all, I like to show the our update. So I'm going to exit to dashboard. My templates and click on the edit, type header, condition, enter website, activation, save change. Now this header is applied for the while website, intro website. Let me check. Okay, so we have designed our header section. Now we need to design our footer section. So to do this, I am going to click on the footer and going to add new, footer, type footer, enter website, activation, save change. So now going to edit content, and as I mentioned in the beginning, for the footer section I will follow this demo or this theme from Themepast, exactly this footer section. So we'll make a 3 column 1 to 3 in the footer section. So first of all, let me go to the footer. Okay, I am in the page of the edit footer and ready to make a footer section. So first of all, I am going to add new section. We need 3 column, and our footer background will be this is a background image, as I know. Open a new tab, save, and we also change this background image later, and we can get a lot of free background image from internet, copyright free. So I'm going to click on the style and background type, background image. We use this one right now. Then we will change, or we can change, and I'm making this tutorial just for my students or audience, so that does not matter. This is not going to using for any commercial website. So okay, so I have added the background image. Now first of all, I will add logo and this content. So just going to click on this icon and logo. For logo, I'm going to add image. In the image, this is my logo, but it does not work because this logo is black color. Let me save their logo, footer logo. So we'll adjust our logo later, but right now just adding as demo purpose. As you know, added logo, then we add text, and let me find the text color. Text color, okay. So text color will be text and text color. Okay, now we will add a social button. Social button and social media. Social media and social icon. Let me change the social media icon colors. Icons and icons color. So just going to click on the style and let me find the color section. Icon size, icon typography, click on the icon typography and content, icon color. Okay, Twitter icon colors. So we have added the social button. We can add another more. LinkedIn, we can add YouTube. Okay, so we no need this section or this icon. Okay, so now next what we will do, next we will add address. So going to add a new heading, address, get in touch, and we add text here. In the address, going to add this, we will make more clean. Okay, address. Now we will add business hour. We not use latest tweet, we add business hours. So just going to in the plus icon of this column and search in the business hours. And let me design this part. Typography, drag and trim typographic size. Okay, and we can make it more small. Now okay, so I'm going to make a little bit border radius 5 pixel, and now it's look different. So let me make this business hours more professional. So first of all, I'm going to change the header text. Typography, not available this font. Changing the color. Font size. Okay, we'll change the typography or font family later, but right now just going to change font color also for this section. Color. Okay, so just going to duplicate this heading. Business hours. And now finally I'm going to add a padding in the bottom and top. Okay, so we are ready and we have finished this footer section. Going to click on the update. Let me check the home page. Okay, so we can make this section more professional, more clean, but it's late, take a little bit time. So I hope you enjoyed this first tutorial, so first part of this tutorial. In the next we will start working in the home page and adding other Elementor section. So thank you for your time to watch this video. If you like this video and want to continue this video, then subscribe to my channel and write a comment that you you are interested or not, and also like this video. Thank you for your time.